Hi. Hey guys, so I'm doing the new Velvet Trap lipstick release lip swatch video. This is going to be all of the 25 new colors. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and everything like that. Thank you. Okay, so we're starting off with Jeffree's Nudes. It's a soft taupe nude. And then we are going into Laced Cake, which is a baby pink. And then Palaeontologist is probably one of my favorites for sure. It is an earthy nude. Then we have Androgyny, which to my recollection looks like the liquid lipstick form. It's a dirty plum mauve. And we have Red Affair. Red Affair is an electric red. We have Ranch Girl, and that is another one of my favorites. It's like a warm peach rose. Then we have Plastic Surgery, which is a dark orange brown. We have I'm Daddy, which is a dirty mauve brown. We have Kumquat, which is a warm earth terracotta. We have Wyoming Iced Tea, which is a peach terracotta. We have Extending the Olive Branch, which is a mustard. And then we have Man Down, which is a dark terracotta brown. We then have Major Attitude, which is a perfect berry. That's what they describe it as. We have Libra Lynn, which is a terracotta rose. We have Orange Prick, which is a light coral orange. We have Cherry Soda after this, which is a muted red. And then we just have Plain Prick, which is a bright coral orange. I was feeling very multipass in this, Lilu Multipass. Then we have Gravedigger, which is a dirty gray. We have Cherry Wet, which is a hot cherry red. We have Gardening Hoe, which is a muted nude yellow. We have Planting Roses, which is a muted rose color. We have Easter Sunday, which is yellow. We have Celebrity Skin OG, which is a nude brown. I didn't really notice the difference between this and the other Velvet Trap Celebrity Skin, but maybe I just don't remember. And then we have Designer Blood, which is a dark, dirty red. And Redrum, which is a bold red. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. My apologies if you can hear my neighbors or anyone. Thanks, bye.